Hello everyone. Today let us know about the Oriental realm. So this Oriental realm, which includes most of the Asian countries which are situated at the southern side of Himalaya, and it includes the India, Burma, Indochina, Malaya, Sumatra, Borneo, and Philippines, etc., which are included in this region. So you can see in this image. So this is the geographical boundary which contains most of the Asian countries. So it composed of four sub-regions. So Oriental realm that composed of four sub-regions. So first one is Indian sub-region, then Ceylonese sub-region, then third Indo-Chinese sub-region, then lastly Indo-Malayan sub-region. So let us know about first Indian sub-region. So from the base of Himalaya, the whole of the Indian subcontinent is under this sub-region, and it is again have some divisions. So Indian sub-regions was separated on the basis of the distribution of molluscous, reptiles, birds and mammals according to Wallace. So in 1942 it is further divided into the divisions which takes place, that is the divisions which occur in this region, that is on the basis of flora and faunal contents. So here the divisions are the dry and semi-dry are of northern India, western side of Himalaya, southern part of Burma, plateau of Ganges, southern India, that is below 20-degree latitude, Ganga plateau and are above 20-degree latitude, Travancore, Ceylon, Nicobar Island, Andaman Island. So these are the divisions which takes place in the Indian sub-regions. And then second is Ceylonese sub-regions. So part of the Indian peninsula and Sri Lanka are covered under this sub-region. Then third one is Indo-Chinese sub-region. So it includes the South China, Burma, Thailand, Indochina, so which are comes under this Indo-Chinese sub-region, and the Indo-Malaya sub-region. So this is the eastern part of Oriental realm. Malaya and East Indies islands which are included in this sub-region. If you look the climatic condition and ecological condition in this region, so here climatic condition, most part which are experience temperate atmosphere, and here annual rainfall more than 1500 mm. So ecological condition, so here eastern part that contains dense rainforest, and western part that causes a desert, and other parts are having a moderate forest. So this is about the climatic and ecological conditions. So here presence of fauna, so presence of fishes, amphibian, reptile, birds and mammals. So here some of the fishes like carps, catfish, cypriniforms etc. are common in this region. And if you come into the amphibians, so here presence of variety of anurans, some salamanders and caecilians are present in this region. And as in the case of reptiles, so various types of snakes like viper, pit viper, krites etc. are seen, and lizards like gecko, varanus, chameleon, crocodiles, and some families of turtles are present. Then birds, here some of the common birds are pigeons, owls, finches, peacock etc. are present. Then mammals, here presence of mammals like rabbit, dog, cat, rodents, flying lemur, elephant, ox, tiger, orangutan, gibbons, pangolin, rhinoceros. So these are the mammals which are present in this region. Out of 30 families, only 4 are endemic in this Oriental realm. So you can see some of the fauna in this image. So presence of fishes, amphibian, reptile, birds and mammals. So this is about the Oriental realm. Thank you.